We're at Carr Lake in Henderson, North Carolina. And it was late last night when we got in, probably about 8:30, 8:45.
We got in about 9.
And it was dark.
Yeah, we were supposed to get in about 7:30ish. We stopped, we made a stop or two, and ended up being close to 9 when we got here. We backed in pretty smooth in the dark. Just leveled the camper up and went in for the night. Now we got to go get the boat in the water.
Now that we have camp set up, we're ready to get on the water.
I know YouTube ain't gonna believe it, but we just caught a big fish right here. But we couldn't get the camera on fast enough. What you got there, Trina?
The big one that got away.
Yeah, I've seen that. I've seen that.
Oh, baby.
She had a little baby. So would you say that's what you catch typically?
No, not typically. I told you I'm in a school of little tiny babies.
Well, find out where the mom and them's at.
So what it is I guess I'm fishing on the ledge. And they must be running along that ledge down there.
Is it the same fish you just keep throwing in the water?
No, they're different.
How you know? You been naming them back there?
They're different. Like this one, I haven't caught him. He's got spots in his eyes.
You're doing better than me. I ain't caught nothing in the past few minutes.
Fish on the ledge, babe.
I don't want to catch them babies.
It's better than just throwing it in and out and not catching nothing.
I got a monster. I got a monster. Should I eat him? Leave us a comment and let us know if you'd eat that fish. I'm not sure if you can see it, but the campsite's just up that hill. Looks like this is going to be today's haul. I'm going to show you some of the type of fish we caught. Mostly all of them are brim. We're going to get those cleaned up and fried up. We're going to have fried brim and homemade chips, fish and chips.
picnic table?
Sure. All right. So we got the last batch of chips or potatoes frying. We got our potatoes here, finished product. Trina putting the fish in a plastic bag. She put the breader and the fish in a plastic bag, and you just shake it around. I like to use a grocery sack. Apparently this is what Trina had, was a Ziploc bag. It'll work. Same difference. Roll them all around in your flour, the breader. Well, she took cornmeal and maybe some other fish breader she had, and put salt and pepper inside the breader. Put the fish in there, roll them around, and then we'll drop the fish into the grease once the potatoes get done. You need a good set of tongs to fry your fish, and once you've got them all breaded, shake some of that excess breader off in the bag, and then drop your fish in. That one fish tried to take up the whole pan.
What you snacking on?
What you mean, what am I snacking on?
What are you snacking on?
Wait, you think I'm snacking? Trina and I are going to eat our catch of the day, and then we're going to enjoy this beautiful view.
After supper, we finished the night out sitting by the fire. The next morning, we got an early start fishing.
So we didn't have the GoPro going, but Justin has caught two big, huge catfish. He caught that big Bream right there.
The biggest Bream I think I've ever caught in my life.
Yeah, that thing was huge. So we're going to try to get some footage for you.
It just don't really work that way.
Yeah. But we forgot the mount this morning. What happened?
Did you get it on camera?
I got what you said on camera. What happened?
I just lost a big old fish. That's what happened.
What did you do to your line?
It broke it clean off. Dang it. That's two. That's two we broke off.
These little brim busters start singing, you know you got a big one on it. Especially when it bends the pole straight down.
We're gonna break Trina's little B&M right here, little jewel right here.
Here, you take this one and give me that one.
Why?
Huh?
This ain't a little one. This one I bought yesterday.
Yeah.
I just said it was yours.
Here we go. Here we go. What's I got? Oh, little Bream. Little Bream.
You want them or not?
No, throw him to your right, Dad. Something's nibbling on yours, I think.
Need a cricket.
Alright, let go.
Alright, so we come back in from fishing. We got up early this morning, went fishing, so we didn't have breakfast. So we're gonna fry some bacon and eggs and have some brunch. Also this morning we had a little surprise. So when we come out this morning to go fishing, I noticed a Arctic fox Looked like a 990 truck camper on a truck that looked familiar as a neighbor here. Turns out it's our friends we met in Raven Rock. They're camped right beside us in Site 22. It's such a small world. Well guys, you've been with us at Car Lake all weekend long. We've got the boat loaded up, motorcycle loaded up. We're all ready to go. So we're gonna head home. We'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching.